Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. And we have like this. Next, we need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So negative and negative, we have positive number 1. When we put this one go outside. So this one that is about identities. So I will put s minus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 equals to sine t. So we have s. So we put negative number 1 go to the right. And we have s equal to 1 plus sine t. So why do I need to choose about s minus 1 equal to sine t? Because if I put this one gone here, we have sine t square. Number 1 minus sine t square. We change by cosine t square. And later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have dx. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0 in here. Sine t, we know that first derivative of sine t that is about cosine t. So this one we change by sine t. S we change by 1 plus sine t. Dx we change by cosine t dt. So this one that is about cosine t square. The square root of this one we have cosine t. Now we simplify and we have 1 plus sine t. Everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to expand this one. And we have 1 plus 2 sine t plus sine t square. So about sine t square, that is about 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. And now we can put like this. Now number 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. The integration of 3 over 2, that is about 3 over 2t. The integration of sine t, we have negative cosine t. The integration of cosine 2t, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2t. And then I will put about c. So 1 over 2, 1 over 2, that is about 1 over 4 sine 2t. About t, that is about this one. So this one we have t equals to arc sine of s minus number 1. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.